Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your Snapchat location without PC. To do that, simply go to Play Store and download the app that is Fake GPS. Just download this one. This is just 1 MB app, and as it is already downloaded, so I'll click on open and it will show you this interface. So you need to turn on your developer mode, click on open settings, turn on your developer mode, click OK. Scroll down and you need to change your mock location to fake GPS. So now it is set on fake GPS. I'll come back and now I'll change my location to, let's say, I'll go for Canada. Simply zoom in for better accuracy and I'll keep it here and let's click on play and just go back and let's now open Snapchat and check if my location is changed or not. I'll click on maps and here you can see my location. I'll simply zoom out to see what is my exact location. It is loading and taking a while, but no problem. For 100% surety my location is changed. You can see I'm behind the Canada, which is almost the Canada. So that is how you change your location.